social media can be a very tough nut to crack. The rules, opportunities, audiences, and value propositions vary greatly from one channel to another and can shift gears without notice. The one thing to conquer those social media concerns is a channel plan, an advanced directive for how your brand manages its content on these evolving platforms. It also spells out what you should and shouldn't expect to achieve. Think precision. Many brands mistakenly assume they must distribute content anywhere and everywhere to maximize its reach. But plastering your brand's content across every social network, trendy news site, and video platform is not a channel plan. It holds no regard for whom it reaches, how they might be impacted, or how that impact might reflect on the business. Remember, your content marketing strategy should define your social media marketing strategy. Evaluate each social channel against your business goals and audience needs. Turn this evaluation into an actionable plan so everybody on your team will know where, when, and what they should post on each channel and what their efforts are meant to achieve. Here's how to create and implement a channel plan for social media marketing that will enable you to do just that. Make informed decisions. The channel planning process involves 3 steps: understanding the platform's value proposition, creating your brand's use case for engagement, and ensuring everyone in your team works from the same set of guidelines. Let's look closer at each one. Number 1. Value propositions for social media channels. Each channel and its core community's engagement preferences play major roles in deciding if your content is a good fit. Your audience might be open to connecting with your brand in a Twitter chat, but reserve Snapchat for personal communication. Authoritative long-form content might play well on LinkedIn or Medium, while memes, mashups, and captioned photos are more appropriate for platforms like Instagram. It's important to familiarize yourself with the characteristics of each channel and its corresponding community before joining the conversation. Number 2. Use case for social channels. With a short list of potential channels in hand, map existing content assets to their most appropriate distribution channels. Remember to consider the content experiences audiences expect. Determine if you have the resources to meet those expectations, and evaluate the potential to deliver meaningful business results with your efforts. Answer these questions to decide if a channel is the right fit for your business. Your responses can also provide clues as to how to position your content to compel the audience to act. Who uses this channel and what are they using it for? Will it help us meet our objectives? What results do we want to achieve? And what kinds of content work best on this platform? If your responses don't reveal a compelling opportunity to engage on that channel, or if the platform's environment isn't suited to your brand's unique content vision and mission, take a step back and reserve your team's resources for channels that are a better fit. Number 3. Standards for your brand's conversations. While your company's goals are important, you also need to establish the right tone, the right topics, and the right conversations to ensure the content delivers the experience your audiences want. Everybody who posts your brand's content should understand and align with a set of social media guidelines to maintain a consistent voice and quality standards. Review your company style guide to refine your social personality and instill factual accuracy and precision. That includes correct usage and spelling of unique terms like company trademarks, product names, personnel, and service offerings. Make your brand the life of the social media party. No matter how far and wide your business intends to extend its reach, successful content marketing distribution often comes down to having a strategic, systematic, and scalable approach. This model ensures that everyone works from the same social media blueprint, but it's not the only way to get the job done.